Hey everyone, today we're going to be creating this LED dimming circuit with a potentiometer, resistor, and LED. And when you turn the potentiometer, it gets brighter or dimmer. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to disconnect that. And we're here at our circuit. And to get started, let's put our potentiometer on the breadboard. Now our potentiometer has 3 wires coming out of it, 2 terminals, and this is called a wiper in the middle. And we're going to attach a wire from one of the terminals to our positive side of our battery, or 9 volt. There we go, 9 volt. And then let's take the wiper portion. We're going to take a wire over to about here, and we're going to connect our LED to that wiper portion. So it comes out of the battery, through the potentiometer, down the wiper, and connects to the positive side of the LED. And let's make this LED green. And let's make our wires red for now. Red. Red. Okay, and then we're going to go from the negative side of our LED into a resistor. So here we go. And then we're going to go from the resistor back to the negative side of our battery. Alright, and we add this resistor in here because we only want the LED to be able to get so bright in this circuit. If it gets too bright, it will blow up or short, and you won't have your LED anymore, and we don't want that. So this is the full circuit. It comes out of the battery. The current goes through the potentiometer, into the wiper, through the LED, connects to the resistor, and goes back down to the negative terminal of the battery. So I'm going to start the simulation here. In real life, once you connect that last wire to the battery, yours will start automatically, right? Like we were showing above in the beginning. So the simulated potentiometer here, once you get to a certain point, it starts getting brighter, the LED. There it is. Okay, and you can change the brightness based on how far you turn the potentiometer's knob, right? Alright, so that's it. That's the circuit for today. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, subscribing, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.